మిస్ వరల్డ్ కంటెస్టెంట్స్ ఎండలో బయట ఉంటున్నారు. అందుకే వాళ్ళ కోసం ఈ స్పెషల్ హ్యాట్స్ డిజైన్ చేపించారు. వాళ్ళ లగ్జరీ స్కిన్ కేర్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ కూడా డిజైన్ చేపించారు. స్కిన్ కేర్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు నేను మీకు చూపిస్తున్నాను. చాలా లగ్జరీస్గా ఉన్నాయి. స్పెషల్ ఆయిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, బాత్ ఆయిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో అవి కాసేపట్లో మీరు చూస్తారు. సో లెట్స్ సీ. What are you showing us today? Because we are so excited to know what kind of skincare and luxury stuff that you're providing them, and they're looking so gorgeous in spite of scorching sun.
Of course, that's the first thing that you're wearing. It's the hat. It's a sun hat. That's a beautiful sun hat with a nice blue color that we designed for them because we realized that Hyderabad in May, unlike other months, is going to be, with scorching heat, and it's necessary for them to have some protection. So before their opening ceremony, they were stepping out during the days for a lot of, rehearsals, and hence we kind of gifted them these beautiful hats and the media and Instagrams as well. So that's one of the few things that we've done for them. Apart from that, we collaborated with Ras. It's a luxurious skincare brand. Couple of therapies and couple of rituals that we've done with them, and of course shared with our contestants as well, ladies staying in house. So we realized that they're going to be spending long hours outside, and after their welcome dinner at Chow Mahalla Palace, we realized that they'd be really tired. So now you're going to be seeing what all we curated for them amongst a couple of other experiences. The deep sleep ritual, which included a deep sleep bath salt soak, which they could put in their nice bathtubs in the rooms, and of course have a calming sleep after that. So Ras also gave us a few of the other options. This was a pure calm sleep spray that we did for them, and of course we also did a deep sleep bath oil for them. Apart from that, we also got them Gauchua stones that they could do just before they sleep because it's nice. It increases circulation as well. So that is something else that we curated for them. Apart from that, carry your wellness kit around is the next option that we gave them just last night because they were to leave today morning for their sports finals, and we knew they'll be out in the sun, out and about, and they need some sunscreens for their hands, for their bodies, and of course they'll need some bit of hand sanitizers because they'll be out in the sun again and stepping out to various places. So of course we carried for them a nice and exhaustive list of amenities that they could carry with them during the day for their sports finals today. So that's from us. So something like that. So for example, something new that's upcoming for them, and I don't know if they know it right now, which they will for sure soon, is going to be these beautifully designed by an Indian designer, beautifully hand knotted scarves that we are giving them that look very international and beautiful. So that's something else that we've done for them as well.
Great. It is wonderful talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
సో చూశారు కదా, అసలు వాళ్ళ కోసం బ్యూటీ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ పెట్టారు. అసలు వాళ్ళకి అసలు దోమలు కుట్టకుండా ఉండాలని మస్కిటో రిప్లెంట్స్ పెట్టారు, క్రీమ్స్ పెట్టారు, ఆయిల్స్, బాత్ ఆయిల్స్ అండ్ వాట్ నాట్. అసలు వాళ్ళు లగ్జరీస్గా ఉంటారు, కానీ ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇండియాలో కూడా అంతే లగ్జరీస్గా ఉండాలని వీళ్ళు కోరుకుంటున్నారు. కెమెరామెన్ అలీతో తరుణ, ఎన్టీవీ హైదరాబాద్.